Are you looking for the best garden hoses? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best garden hoses that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Expandable garden hose. Our tester lives on a farm where a garden hose is an essential piece of equipment. There are gardens and lawns to be watered, driveways and pathways to be hosed down, and many buckets and bowls to fill to ensure all the animals can stay hydrated. What our tester loves most is that this compact hose expands to 3 times its size once you turn the water on, and it contracts to its original compact size when the water is turned off. The hose includes a handy spray nozzle with 7 adjustable spray modes, so you can offer your plants a light mist or turn on the jet to hose all the muck off the pathways. This model has an inner hose with a tightly knitted fabric outer hose. It can withstand a considerable amount of water pressure, and it won't kink or get tangled. Once you're done with the watering, the hose is easy to store and won't take up much space. The hose is available in different lengths, so you can choose the right size for your property. The only downside is that if the fabric comes away from the end of the hose, it's an absolute pain to put it back together again, and without the tight fit, the hose is useless. Up next in the 4th place is the Flexzilla garden hose. The Flexzilla garden hose is a premium quality garden hose that you can leave out in any weather. Engineered with a flexible hybrid polymer, this is one of those heavy-duty, yet lightweight hoses that every homeowner should invest in, as it can retain its flexibility, even when temperatures drop to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. This garden hose is tough and tear-resistant thanks to the durable outer cover that resists abrasion and mold. It's easy to maneuver around the yard, and it's highly resistant to kinks. What you'll really love about the Flexzilla hose is the tough, aircraft-grade aluminum hose fittings that give you leak-free connections. Leave it out in the hot sun or on a frosty winter morning without a care. The hose is lightweight, easy to handle, and lays flat, and the inner tube is made with a water-drinking safe material. If you're in the market for a new garden hose, the Flexzilla hose is a versatile, reliable, and affordable option. The 3rd product on our list is the Camco TastePURE garden hose. The Camco TastePURE garden hose is made from lead-free, and BPA-free is made from NSF-certified FWH PVC, so you and your family can enjoy the time-honored tradition of drinking out the hose in the summer. The hose is also reinforced for maximum kink-resistant performance, and the easy grip connectors are compatible with most standard garden hose connectors, which means you can also connect them to other hoses if you need to water all the way at the back of your property. You can also shove the wheelbarrow or drive the car over this hose without losing water pressure. However, this reinforced strength does make the hose a little less flexible, which may not be appealing for some gardeners. This is one of the best garden hoses for the suburban garden and can easily be connected to a lawn sprinkler, or you can use it for cleaning the car or the windows of your house. It's also a great hose for watering plants by hand when you just want to take your time and have an excuse not to go inside the house. You may also like some of these rain barrels, which can also be connected to your garden hose for unbeatable convenience and water conservation. Second on our list is the FitLife flexible and expandable garden hose. There's no need for hose reels when you have this bad boy in your backyard. The FitLife flexible and expandable garden hose is an exceptional quality garden hose that expands to 3 times its length. It starts at around 9 feet in length before expanding to 25 feet in length. It reverts back to its original size when you turn the water off. This one also features solid brass fittings and a shut-off valve, which makes it incredibly convenient and durable. The rubber washer prevents leaking, and the 8-pattern garden hose nozzle allows you to switch the spray nozzle to the perfect setting for watering, washing, and even a bit of high-pressure hosing. The exterior of this house is made from a dense and rugged polyester fabric that is durable, and will neither melt from the heat or become brittle in the cold. It is lightweight and flexible, making it easy to use and less cumbersome, which makes it easy to gather together and put away. It can be connected to a high-pressure washer, as well as connected to the pump for irrigation or for pumping water. At the end of the night, the hose is effortlessly rolled up again. Be sure to combine it with some of the best garden hose wands for when you need extra water pressure. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bionic Steel 304 stainless steel metal garden hose. Not all garden hoses need to be made of rubber compounds. The Bionic Steel garden hose is the epitome of long-lasting durability in a garden hose. It's narrower than most hoses with a flexible steel casing over a latex inner core with no plastic fittings. The exterior of this hose is made from 304 stainless steel that is made to last. Its thinness may affect the water flow, but unless you need to do a lot of high-pressure blasting, this is still the best steel garden hose for domestic use. It features 500 psi and is virtually burst-proof and crush-proof. This stainless steel hose is able to withstand extreme weather, and although the water inside the hose may freeze in extreme cold, the hose will survive the coldness. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.